Do you want to copy the properties from one dashboard to another? Stay tuned. Hello people and welcome to another episode of Everyday Smart. On the past two videos we have shown how to create a dashboard and how to modify it, and even further we have shown how to modify the advanced CSS settings so you can customize it even further. In this video I'm gonna show how you can copy the properties from one dashboard into another one so you don't have to establish those properties from scratch again, and you can have all of your dashboards kind of following the same appearance. So as usual, we're gonna be doing this using Hubitat, and the app that we're gonna be using is Dashboards. But in this case, I'm gonna create a brand new dashboard. So I'm gonna go to Apps, and then I'm gonna go to Hubitat Dashboard, and I'm gonna create a new dashboard. So I'm gonna call it Room Sample. And then I'm gonna do the other process that we already covered in the first video. So I'm gonna fast forward this part. The only reason I'm creating this is to have a brand new dashboard that doesn't have any appearance properties set up yet. So you see how you can copy the properties from one dashboard into this brand new dashboard. So keep watching. Okay, so I already created the new dashboard that I call Room Sample. So as you can see, I haven't modified any of the properties yet. The only thing I did was to arrange it, because that is something that you need to do all the time. You need to arrange it the way you want it. So as you can see, it has the default colors. It doesn't have anything special yet. Everything is normal. And if I click to turn on this, you can see that it's going to the default yellow. If I turn it off, back to that dark gray. The fan control, if I do the low, it's low already, but it didn't change any color. If I go to the medium, it went to medium already, but it didn't change the color. Same thing with high. It went to high already, but still the same dark gray color. For the contact sensor, when it's closed, it's showing as green. And for the lock, when it's closed, it's showing as green as well. And if I open it, it shows dark gray, that default color as well. And then for this lamp, if I turn it on, it's on already, but it's still showing that same default color. So it's not changing, so it's not customized yet. That's basically what I'm trying to show in here. So what we want to do is to copy the properties from that other dashboard that we already have all set up into this one, so we don't have to spend all that time again customizing all of those different properties. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna show the two dashboards in two different windows side by side. So that's what we're seeing right now. So this dashboard to the right, the ES control, that's the one that we created in previous videos. And we showed all the steps on how to get it to look this way. But if you remember, all that we did for getting the appearance this way was going to the gear icon, going into the template section, and we modify the specific templates that we needed to modify for our specific dashboard. What I didn't show in any of those videos is that when you modify all of those, all of that information is captured in test. So if you go to this advanced tab here, this first portion of the advanced tab, layout, all of this section under the custom colors, all of that section, all of this, as you can see, up to here, all of that is the information that we customize. So if you take that and copy it, again, is under the custom colors. If you copy all of that, all the way to their custom colors, and then you go to your other dashboard, the brand new one that doesn't have any customization yet, go to the same place, advanced layout, you can see custom colors in here, but it's empty. So if we go there and we replace that with what we just copied, and we save layout JSON, there you go. So now the template customization that we did in this ES control dashboard is already applying to this room sample dashboard. So that was super easy, super fast. You didn't have to go through all the template settings again to establish all of those colors. Now, in our second dashboard video, we show how to modify the advanced settings of this dashboard. And if you remember, those settings were also a test. So we can access that as well. Gear icon, advanced, it was the CSS portion. So you click there and this is the test that we put in here to modify even further the dashboard. So if you copy that as well, and you go to the other dashboard, same area, CSS, which is empty, and you paste that as well, click on Save CSS, there you go. So now you also put those settings, those customization parameters into that dashboard, so you didn't have to retype all of that code again. Now, as you can see, we still have some differences between these dashboards. In this one we have these rounded edges, in this one they are sharp, in this ES control one we have skinnier rows, in this room sample our rows are thicker as well, and then in this ES control the width of the dashboard automatically resizes to the size of the screen, and in this room sample it is still the default width. So we can go and change all of those settings one by one. So click on the gear icon, go to options, and then I already know that for automatic resizing we need this column width empty. So there you go. Now it will automatically fit the screen. And then for this row height, I remember that from the previous dashboard the value I had was 80. Then going back into the grid, we can keep changing this grid. So if you don't remember the values exactly, you can match them this way. So we had that the font size was 10, the icon size was 20, the grid gap was 3, and then the roundness was 5. And there you have it. That's how you can copy the properties from one dashboard into a new dashboard without needing to establish all of those properties from scratch, which takes a significant amount of time. Well, I hope you liked this video. It was a pretty simple video, but again, that saves a lot of effort and a lot of time if you know how to do it. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. As I always say, I'm gonna keep making videos like this for Hubitat, for SmartThings, for other platforms as well. And you don't want to miss any of those videos, so also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, thank you for watching and see you next time.